Hey yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy JOSHAERAHAM. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know what happened to my chair, but it's not it's not what happened, bro? What happened, bro? What did you do, bro? It's not folding. It's not. I don't know. Well, I submitted an AI generated code for this. Two different blossom and pan matrices. Connected. You already have, now you get blossom 80. So, according to GPT, this is gonna work. And you downloaded it. What did you download, bro? No. Where did you save the blossom 80 text? I don't see that. Is it in the downloads? No. Mm-hmm. Oh, God, David, where is it? Oh, I forgot to tell this YouTube. I couldn't stream for the past 2 3 days because I was going for the students union seminar, and yeah, I was pretty tired after that. That's why I couldn't stream. Apologize, but now onwards it's gonna be a lot of streams because we got an exam coming up next month within 1 week. That's one of the most important exams. So a lot of shit to do. What, okay. Wait, I was gonna check if Blossom 80 was there. Yeah. Where's the mouse? Okay, we got the Blossom 80. Now. We gotta download PAM. Now get PAM matrices. Copy. Paste. Both PAM are there. But I don't think they are, so if I want to get these. You successfully downloaded Blossom. Okay, I could, next PAM matrices. I need them in the what? Mm-hmm. PAM 70, PAM 30, yeah. Okay, it's working. That's good. Take each pair of amino acid sequence, run global alignment using two blossom matrices and two PAM matrices, two different gap penalties. You choose 9 and 5. This gives 8 tests per sequence pair. Each test produces an alignment score, one or more optimal alignments. Your job is to compare the results and explain the differences. I actually forgot what the blossom and could you I did not results and explanation. I did not submit. What is the scoring matrix? It's a lookup table. Okay, good or bad. Blossom 62 matches W with W gives plus 11. So, 3. So, alignment algorithm uses numbers to decide the best alignment. PAM matrices point accepted mutations. PAM matrices are based on this idea how amino acids change over evolutionary time. They were built using closely related proteins. Then those patterns were extrapolated to represent longer evolutionary distances, meaning PAM numbers, very close relatives. Little evolution, more evolution, very distant evolution. Relatives behavior. PAM 30 punishes mismatches hard. PAM 70 is more forgiving, more tolerant of differences. Blossom block substitution matrices built for amino acid blocks in real protein instead of evolution predictions. Blossom count real substitution and conserved, meaning blossom numbers sequence at least 80% identical for closely related. 62% distant proteins behavior. So wait, how is these also from but I didn't get the PAM. What? It sounds You're clearly been using Blossom and matrices for Needleman. Yeah, so understanding them is crucial. Derived from real observed substitution in conserved regions of related protein sequences based on observed mutations. So let's try with this. $62. What are the PAMs I downloaded? Plan 30. Can we get some water? Just a minute. got the chat. Okay. What's this one? Bum, bum. No. Let's see, let's see. Nishan, yo, what's up? How you doing, man? Blossom 80, come on. Why can't I type properly? It's so weird. I apologize for the latency, okay? I still haven't repaired that. Pam 30. No. Pam 70, right? Uh-huh. $62. Okay. So that will... Oh, Lord. I got 30 minutes. Perfect alignment, no gaps. Was it perfect alignment? I wouldn't say it's perfect alignment. I mean, Daniel Carnero, hello. Hey yo, what's up? It's been a long time since I seen your name. Part A sequence highly similar. Cause notes. I see the confusion even though the sequence are exactly. Dude, I'm really scared for today's class because the professor might ask me some questions and I'm gonna be there like, dude. I don't want to be the butt of the joke all the time. Come on. Do you have time to play Undertale? Not right now, but after the class, I would be streaming. So I'm really sorry, man. Not right now, cause I have my class in 30 minutes. It's not looking good, and I still don't know what. I still don't know if my professor asks me some questions. I still don't know how to answer. So I will be streaming after my class, and I don't know if you're gonna be there, but if you are, let's continue Undertale. I'm really sorry for this, bro. I sh- uh, I feel bad for not doing what I was supposed to do. Goddamn the latency. Matrices produce no gaps in the final alignment. That's why it appears perfect in the sense how all residue were aligned. It means the alignment algorithm was used to pair all the residues without needing gaps to optimize. Do you have ChatGPT Pro? No, I'm not gonna pay for any sort of subscription. No, no ChatGPT Pros, no Gemini Pro. I really want to, make my own AI that runs natively on the computer. I heard it's much better than the free version. Yeah, but I don't know. My thought process is like I would only need the free version. I don't. I want to make sure I could use the free version and proceed and not pay extra for. I don't know. I'm still in a weird position. So perfect alignment means no gap. The semi-sequence is identical. It means the alignment algorithm was prepared for all residue without needing gaps to optimize the score. I can go through sequences and highlight exactly which residues are matched and worst. Okay. It's gonna be free in like a few months. Uh, do you have any do you know why? there should be some catch. They're not gonna give it for free without any sort of catch. Dude, this is what I written. What is Blossom? It's a substitution matrix that scores each amino acid pair based on the observed replacement and conserved regions. What it did here, the algorithm aligns sequences without inserting gaps. Wait. When they release something, it's always expensive for the first few months or restricted, and then it becomes available for free. Uh-huh. So you're so it's like they're gonna release some of the features that were in the GPT Pro into the normal free version of GPT. I'm waiting until it becomes free because it's too expensive. Yeah, I heard that the highest subscription for GPT was $200 or euros per month. 200. So PAM 30, PAM 70, what are these things? Now, how does the to use the matrix to okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm genuinely scared. Passing the file via command line. When you run the program, you give the first file path of the matrix as command line arguments. Containing a scoring. This path gets stored in the variable. Where is it? Where is it? Reading the score matrix. The program calls score matrix. Better than PAM30, but still many gaps. Lowest score, large inserts and deletions. Slightly lower score, gaps distributed differently. Multiple alignment, several gaps. Slightly better than PAM30. More gaps needed, lower score. Slightly higher score, multiple gap placements. Some gaps introduced to optimize alignments. Could you explain the code you have written? Like what, where? Because I have define Needleman Wunsch sequence 1. I feel like ChatGPT will eventually die out. In a few years, a new competitor will probably come. Yeah. I mean, right now I heard that Gemini is doing really good. Like, Gemini is right now the best AI you can get. But I think a lot of people are gonna go for a local LLM. Like, they're gonna run the language model on their machine itself. Because I'm someone, if I had the money, if I was someone who had a job and could pay for all the stuff, I would try to learn how to run a local language model. But until then, I gotta use these online ChatGPT, Gemini type shit. But yeah, ChatGPT could die out. Input file equals file. The long hair is good during winter, but it's so fucking hard to maintain. Shebang. Let me break down your Python code clearly, line by line, so you can explain in class. I'll explain it, assuming provides a function that reads Blossom Pam matrix into the dictionary. Yeah. Unix like terminals. SYS helper function to load a substitution matrix from a text file. It's a helper function. Okay. Needleman Wunsch function. Define Needleman Wunsch. This function performs global sequence alignment between sequence 1 and 2. N and M are the lengths of the sequence, initialize DP and traceback matrices. DP stores the optimal alignment scores at each position, I and J. DP stores optimal alignment scores. Now, what is optimal alignment score? Is that what? Okay. Okay. It's not fair. Come on. I still haven't understood. For 0, M plus 1, M... TB for dash in range. Wait. What? Initialize first row and column. I in range, gap penalty. You know. What, M plus 1 on M plus 1, okay. Oh, okay, first, this part defines what DP... Oh, no. Oh, no, what do I do? Okay. First column represents aligning a sequence against gaps. Gap penalty subtracted for each initial gap. Now, where is the gap penalty? Where did we... No. Sequence 2, gap penalty, okay. System argument for... But... Okay, we already put gap penalty here and it's defined at the end. Fill the DP matrix. Match equals best, then append D. For each cell, the algorithm considers 3 options. Match, align the 2 residues, score for matrix, delete, insert a gap in sequence 2, insert a gap in sequence 1. Maximum score is stored in DP. Traceback directions are stored in TB. That's okay. Backtracking to get alignment. Define backtrack. Okay. So this one would be the first. Filling the DP matrix. No. 40. Okay, I was not good for that. No. Trace back direction. Oh, D diagonal, U up, left. Oh. Backtracking to get alignments. If move diagonal, okay. Elif move up. Elif move L. I did the Needleman Wunsch algorithm, but I know, I kind of know what this is, but still I'm. Return DNM. Optimal alignment score, but for the full sequence, backtrack, list of all the alignments that achieve the optimal score. What? 5 searches included you. Okay, the class is in about 5 minutes. Flak Junkie 5553. What's going on here? Well, you come in the right time. I was just looking up my assignment that I just submitted using ChatGPT, of course, and I was just going through what did ChatGPT write. I'm not a big coding guy. In matter of fact, I don't have any experience in coding, so I was just looking up what did you do, ChatGPT? And I gotta say, I still don't understand anything. What's the main program? Read sequences, scoring matrix, gap penalty from the command line, calls Needleman Wunsch to compute the alignment, prints the optimal scores and all alignments. Key point to explain quickly. DP stores scores, traceback stores the reconstruct alignments. Scoring matrix decides favorable versus unfavorable matches. Where's that one? I don't know. Backtrack builds all optimal score alignments. Results global alignment with maximum score. Please. I don't know what I'm gonna say if my professor asks me, Josh Abraham, can you explain this? It would be absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. So it's a reading scoring matrix. What's this? Uh, does the professor allow ChatGPT? I heard that the professor said, yeah, you could use ChatGPT for reference type shit, like not just fully rely on ChatGPT, but I did not get enough time to complete the assignment, so I had to rely a little bit on GPT. And yeah. Okay, now it's good. Okay. Some of my teachers were very strict about it. Yeah, I can't see why they're strict, but yeah, I had to use ChatGPT because it was I, I could say it was a bit of emergency. If I did not submit, I could lose a lot of marks. So I was just like, submit something and maybe learn what did you submit after you submitted that before the class. And now when it's time for the class, I still haven't looked up what ChatGPT wrote. So it's not good. Well, I gotta end the stream because in 1 minute the class is gonna start. YouTube. Peace. I gotta say, this week it's not my best, but we will get better. Peace out. I think it's because teachers are used to more traditional teaching methods. Yeah, but if you just uh, keep on using AI and not learning what it's about, I do understand the teacher side. But yeah, peace, YouTube.